This is how you can make users decide faster if you are designing a platform like this. So I look in Product Hunt and I found this platform that analyzes real estate deals for their users. So the investor will input details of the deal and then the platform will analyze it for them. I took a screenshot of this platform and put it in Miro for my analysis. So this is just a quick audit, nothing really big, but maybe a small change can help user decide faster. This is what I did. So we have here key metrics or key scores and the CTA. So let's try to focus on that. If I'm the user, I'm looking at this page, which is the analysis. I will be able to see the key metrics. So it makes me focus on that. And as I scroll down, I'll be able to see other details. But the challenge is the key metrics or the key scores for me to decide is missing when I scroll down. As you can see, I'm scrolling down and then no scores anymore. All right. It would be great if the scores will be, maybe there is a minimal way to show the scores whenever I scroll, or a way for me to not to go back here on this top part whenever I review. For example, the session test, stress test, market benchmark. I go down to cash flow projection, and then after this, let me go back again to this key metrics so that I can review. But the problem is, yeah, you can see I have to scroll up and down to review things out. So another challenge is the CTA. Me as the user or me as the investor, I might want to export this as a PDF, which is the action here, and not the edit deal. So, but then the challenge of this design is that there is more emphasis on the edit deal over the export. So maybe it would be best if we can change the CTA to export instead of edit deal. Small change, but can do some impact for the users. So another idea to have this. So I created a quick, very rough wireframe of this. So this one, maybe we can put the scores or the key metrics on the side, and it is fixed. So whenever you scroll down, you can see the scores right away, and every time, I mean. And then we can also have this top bar as fixed one as well, so that the CTA is always there. So it gives me two things. First one, there is less cognitive load because I know that I can focus on the key metrics for me to decide, given that we will also have this minimal. All right. So I have the score, this one, this part. Let me put this here. We can have it in here and maybe a minimal version of this scores. Okay, because at a glance, I want to know, should I invest or not? Okay, so reduce cognitive load. Another one is there is a clear CTA. So it is not just a data display, it is a decision tool for me. So instead of edit deal as the main CTA, there is the export as the CTA. So yeah, as I mentioned, it's just a short and quick audit, but it can help your users decide faster if you're designing something like this. Thank you.